This is my keyboard. Wait, no, this is my keyboard. Have you ever seen anything like this before? Let's see how I built it. This is the DOIO KB64G-01 from WhatGeek. It's a DIY kit that features hot swap, VIA compatibility, and a triple knob macro pad. The top case is aluminum while the bottom case is translucent acrylic. It also features a polycarbonate plate that uses gasket mount. I went with the Gateron North Pole linear switches, which come silky smooth out of the box as they are pre-lubed. But I didn't expect them to sound so quiet. Make sure you stick around until the end for the sound test. For keycaps, I wanted to replicate the look of a screen with these black transparent keycaps. And wow, look at how nice the keyboard turned out. This is definitely the most unique looking keyboard that I've built. There's a good amount of bounce in the typing experience, but keep in mind when buying keycaps that this is a 64 layout. Of course, this keyboard isn't without its flaws. While the idea of a Joy-Con is cool, functionally it wasn't really practical. I frequently found both the input and the Joy-Con itself getting stuck, and it made me avoid using it. So at the end of the day, it felt more like a novelty than anything. If you want to check out any of the products, I'll put links down in the description.